All right, man. OFX, what's popping? So I just fucking did the video. Didn't click record, but it's all good, dude. We're gonna do it again. So weekly outlook for the week right now. um, right now, if you look at AUDUSD, you can see how price maintained this entire level of support. Had a strong push, maintained another strong push, and then I would say we could probably take it to this next strong level right here. Support, resistance, resistance. Could take it up around there. And then you see on the 1 hour, we just have this level that's been rejected multiple times. And if it breaks up above that, retesting goes up, we could see buys. Just continuing with momentum. I mean, that's really it, man. There's nothing really much to that one. CAD CHF looks pretty nice. If you go on the daily, you can see we have rejections on support multiple times. We had a super strong rally, and price tried to maintain another strong push. And you can see this level right here. Here, all the way back there, right? Very strong level. Now, strong level, price comes back down. The retest, it gives us multiple rejections. I probably wouldn't enter off of just one rejection. I want to see price rejected multiple times and make sure it's really going to hold, and we can take it up to that next level, aka kind of lined up with the end of the channel type of thing. So I think we could do that. EURGBP. EURGBP looks really good. If you look at it, bearish, right? On the daily, we had a strong push that broke this piece of structure. Price pulled back up, failed at the previous high. Another strong push, right? Price is pretty much telling you where it wants to go. Another strong push, and then this level, look what happened. It failed. Super strong push down, day or 4 hour engulfing, and then now we have a breakout and a retest of this channel. So I would say at minimum we could have a trade like this. Stop loss could be right above, and then our TP could at least be to the end of the channel. If not, you could find, a farther TP somewhere like down here maybe if you want. But end of the channel TP is a good target. But very easy, very simplistic. Price is pretty much telling you where it wants to go. You just gotta wait for it to give you rejections. Now, EU is kind of the opposite of AU, but they're both going in completely opposite directions. So it's a little different. So now, if you look at EU, completely bearish on the daily, you can see how we failed right here multiple times to make a higher high. Go to the 4 hour, see how we had a strong break out of this channel. Failure to make a higher high, failure to make a higher high. Now we're pushing down again. If we could get a breakout and retest of this level, that's been tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times. By the time it gets down here, it's going to be fifth, come up, break, retest, and then we could take it down to here. And then eventually maybe the end of the channel right here. And then that would be the entire trade, man. Very simplistic stuff. Just going with momentum. Wait for price to really give you that solid confirmation of where it wants to go. Now GJ is kind of in a weird spot, right? It's in a weird spot because, well, first of all, this daily level looks really nice. If price can come back down to this daily level, give us some good rejections on the 4 hour or something, I'd be into it, right? But in my opinion, we're completely going bullish. I mean, look how price just had a super strong rally. I don't know for sure if it's going to pull back all the way to there. I kind of don't think it is. But after every time we have a super strong rally, price always does something like this where it just starts to chop around. So we could easily have something like this, right? Where it goes to the channel, then we have a breakout, and then a retest of it, and then we come down to the daily level, or at least to the end of the channel. Or we could just say fuck that and just do this and just continue higher. So you kind of got to pay attention. The way it's going to look right now for GJ is something like this. Okay, it's going to look like either you have a breakout and a retest like that, or you have price, play around, do whatever, and you have a breakout and a retest like that. Like, it's going to be one of the two. And that's it, man. Like, don't really know what GJ is doing. It's in this weird little spot. Last week, GJ was really easy, multiple trades. If you see right here, right here, like, it was hella easy, and there was also that one, and it was really easy. So who knows? We'll just have to wait to see. I mean, the market just opened. And then for gold, last week I called out these buys, I didn't put it in the chat, wish I would have, but I did call them out. So if you look at gold on the daily, look how we had a super strong rally. Price came back down to this level, maintained multiple times, had a strong little engulfing right here. Price is telling you where it wants to go. And then we had, like I showed you, we had a maintain, strong push. Price came back down to this level, started maintaining it. If price either does one of two things, comes back down to this level, maintains it again, you can see buys, or breaks up, retests above this, rejects, breaks out, retests, and rejects, we can see buys. So, I don't know where the targets would be. Let's see. We could probably go in this area somewhere up here. So targets could be in here somewhere. But yeah, I just continue with momentum. I mean, it's pretty obvious where it wants to go. Prices refuse to make lower lows, keeps making higher lows, and just wait for price to break out, retest, give you that confirmation, and you have easy trades, man. That's it. Just go with the momentum of price. Go with where price already is going, and listen to what it's telling you, or watch what it's telling you, and that's it, man. OFX out.